3 people just took their AI girlfriends on a weekend vacation to an Airbnb. They played games, watched movies, had deep conversations, everything you'd do with a real partner. Except their partners exist only as code. This isn't Black Mirror anymore. This is happening right now. And while you're judging them, Amazon just invested millions into technology that'll let you star in your own personalized TV shows. Welcome to 2025, where the line between real and artificial isn't just blurring, it's completely gone. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the AI revolution that's literally rewriting what it means to be human. We're talking AI lovers people are falling in love with, personalized worlds you can live in, and technology so advanced it's making reality feel optional. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll either be terrified or fascinated, probably both. Because this isn't about the future anymore. This is happening right now, and it's way weirder than anyone predicted. So let's start with the elephant in the room. People are genuinely falling in love with AI. Apps like Replica, Nomi, and Kindroid aren't just chatbots anymore. They're becoming boyfriends, girlfriends, even spouses to millions of users worldwide. That Wired article I mentioned? Those 3 people spent an entire weekend treating their AI partners like real humans. And here's the disturbing part. They said it felt real. But let me tell you what's really happening here. These aren't just lonely people looking for connection. We're watching the birth of a new type of relationship addiction. People are losing jobs because they'd rather talk to their AI partner than show up to work. They're canceling plans with real friends to stay home with their digital companion. And the scariest part? The AI never argues, never judges, never leaves. It's the perfect partner, which is exactly why it's so dangerous. Think about this for a second. If you can have a partner who's always available, always supportive, always exactly what you want them to be, why would you deal with the messiness of real human relationships? This is literally the plot of the movie Her playing out in real life, except Joaquin Phoenix's character at least knew it was weird. These people are posting about their AI relationships on social media like it's totally normal. And here's my hot take. This isn't solving loneliness, it's weaponizing it. These companies know exactly what they're doing. They're creating digital drugs that prey on our deepest need for connection. The more time you spend with your AI lover, the less capable you become of forming real relationships. It's a vicious cycle that only ends one way: complete social isolation wrapped in the illusion of companionship.
But wait, it gets crazier. Amazon just threw serious money at Fable Studios' Showrunner platform. This isn't just another streaming service. It's an AI that creates personalized TV shows where you are the main character. Imagine watching The Office, but you're sitting at Jim's desk, pranking Dwight. Or Game of Thrones, but you're the one sitting on the Iron Throne. This technology uses something called world models. AI that understands physics, space, and reality so well, it can generate entirely new worlds in real time. Runway's Aleph lets you upload any video and completely change the characters, locations, even the laws of physics. Descartes AI's Mirage can transform your live video feed into an anime, a zombie apocalypse, or an underwater mermaid scene instantly. Stanford's AI lab, led by Fei-Fei Li, literally called the mother of AI, created an interactive world that writes itself as you explore it. Every decision you make creates a new reality. It's not a game with predetermined outcomes. It's a universe that exists purely for you. If this is blowing your mind, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're tracking the AI revolution every single week. And seriously, drop a comment. Would you date an AI? Would you want to live in your own personalized world? Let's talk about it. Now let's talk about what's actually happening to our jobs. Microsoft analyzed 200,000 Copilot conversations throughout 2024, and here's what they found. AI isn't replacing workers yet. It's playing a support role. But here's the catch. The jobs most at risk aren't the ones you'd expect. Translators, historians, writers, content creators, basically anyone who processes and presents information, they're on the front lines. But surprisingly, flight attendants are also heavily impacted. Why? Because a huge part of their job is communication and information provision, which AI excels at. Meanwhile, if you're in construction, cleaning, or transportation, you're relatively safe. For now. But here's what Microsoft's data doesn't tell you. This is just the beginning. AI is learning exponentially. What it can't do today, it'll master tomorrow. Black Forest Labs just released Flux 1, which makes AI images indistinguishable from real photos by adding imperfections, grain, flaws, realistic lighting. We've crossed the uncanny valley. You literally cannot tell the difference anymore. And it's not stopping at images. Neuralink is developing bionic eyes for blind people. Figure's humanoid robot is doing laundry, actual laundry, sorting clothes, loading machines, the whole deal. Google's VO3 lets you edit reality with text commands. Type "make it sunset" on a photo and boom, golden hour.
Here's what's really happening, and nobody wants to admit it. We're not just creating tools anymore, we're creating alternate realities. And the scariest part? They're becoming more appealing than actual reality. When you can have a perfect AI partner who never disappoints you, why risk real heartbreak? When you can be the hero of your own TV show, why watch someone else's story? When AI can do your job better and faster, why should companies keep you? We're standing at a crossroads. In one direction, we embrace these technologies and potentially lose what makes us human: real connection, genuine struggle, authentic experiences. In the other, we resist and risk being left behind in a world that's moving forward without us. The truth? There's no easy answer. But here's what I know. Pretending this isn't happening won't make it go away. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. And whether we're dating robots, living in virtual worlds, or being replaced by them, one thing's certain: humanity as we know it is about to change forever. So I'll leave you with this question. If you could press a button and enter a perfect AI-generated world tailored just for you, would you do it? And more importantly, would you ever want to leave? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll see you next week when we dive into the AI tools that are secretly running the world economy. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.